welcome back to the channel. I know. I am so sorry. I keep telling you guys that I'm going to get my life together and we're going to figure out this happy medium, this happy balance between my YouTube and my work. And I've not done it yet. So today, I really been wanting to put out a video the last few days. It's really been on my heart. But to be honest with you, I've kind of lost my footing in doing my videos. I'm like, well, how do I start it? What do I do? And I'm literally feeling like I'm at ground zero again. So just be patient with me. I'm seriously trying to get these videos done and get them up. So thank you for the ones who have stuck with me during all this up and down, and just patiently been waiting on me to get my life together. Today, we are going to work on the kitchen. We're going to work on, I'm not sure. I don't want to put out there what I'm going to work on because sure as the world, it won't get done. But I do know that we are going to have to start in the bathroom. I've got some laundry I've got to do. I've got to switch over some. I've got to fold some that I put in the dryer yesterday and forgot to get them out. I have some hanging in there that I did yesterday and did not put away. So yeah, without me continuing to, let's get this started. Oh, and I am expecting a package, so hopefully we can do a unboxing and show you what I got. But we're still waiting on FedEx. You know how that can go. So yeah, without me talking anymore and wasting any more time, let's get started in the bathroom doing laundry. Okay, so I just turned Jason's clothes, those are his uniforms that are in the dryer. I just turned those back on to fluff them up. I've got a few things over here that I need to go ahead and go hang up in the closet, and then we'll come back in here and switch this laundry over and hang up his uniforms. Y'all, we really need to get in here and get this closet cleaned. And if you're wondering, the tote I have at the bottom of the closet, it is to keep Malachi, the little puppy. I'm trying to keep him out of my closet. So yeah.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. And one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like, ooh, baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Maybe I need a break, maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be. dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this.
Yo, as I sit here and I'm editing this video, I'm kind of curious. Do you guys enjoy watching me wash the dishes? I mean, I don't have a dishwasher, so I am the dishwasher. Or is this something that I should not include in the videos? I'm asking because it just kind of seems, you guys have seen me wash dishes 1,000 times. Just curious, you know, is it boring? Should I leave it out? Should I only have little clips of me doing the dishes? Leave it in the comments so I know what you guys want to see. I'm here for motivating you guys, not just recording to be recording. So yeah. I mean, I know it can be motivating, but it can also be a little bit on the boring side. So yeah, just let me know what you think. And I'm open to any suggestions of what you guys would like to see. Like I said, I'm really trying to get myself back into recording as much on a regular basis as I can, and seeing if we can't grow our channel. I have lost a few of my subscribers, which is kind of expected. But yeah, y'all just let me know what you think and what you want.
into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. hand. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Pretty much the kitchen, pretty much clean. I think I am going to take up this rug and sweep and mop in here. I typically put this rug down because we have ceramic tile in our kitchen. And I typically put the rug down in the wintertime because it's not so cold on the feet, you know? But it is getting warmer, and yeah, I think I want to take it up. So we're going to do that and get this kitchen mopped. It's already dark. Sorry. I had to start working. As soon as I mopped the dining room, my phone started blowing up and I had to work. But it finally got here and I want to unbox it with you and show you what we got. I have been waiting all day. And for the ones of you who don't know, this is what I do. I am a Thrive promoter. If you don't know what Thrive is holistic, all natural, plant-based supplements. And y'all, this has been a complete game changer for me and for Jason. I have better mood, I have more energy, more natural energy. Yeah, it has just, I'm healthier, I make better food choices. When you put the proper things in your body, you just kind of want to do better, you know? So, do we want to open the big box or the small box first? Let's do the small box. I'll get it all out and then I will tell you what it is. You know what? I know what's in here. Let's do the big box first because it will make more sense. This is, when you order a month of Thrive, this is what you will get. You will get a month of men's or women's capsules. These are men's, these are for Jason. I've been on a detox, so I didn't need my capsules this month or for the last 10 days, so I've still got capsules. These are Jason's men's capsules. You get 2 bags of shakes, whatever flavor that you like, and we have tons and tons of flavor. This is what, between your 3 steps you do every day, and these are your DFTs, which are the little stickers. These, they have, the combined of all 3 steps is over 150 vitamins you get a day, and they're premium vitamins. The difference between these vitamins and the vitamins you get over the counter or so to speak, the absorption rate is only like 15%, and these are 98% absorption into your body. It's got your vitamin A, your vitamin D, your vitamin B1, B2, B6, folic acid, B12, and a whole bunch of other vitamins that I can't pronounce. But you can see, I mean, there's just a ton of vitamins. And your shakes, this one is Snickerdoodle and chocolate covered strawberries. This is one of my favorites. This is all for your gut health. If your gut is not in good health, you know, your whole body's off. And it is also loaded with vitamins. Look at the vitamins. And they're all natural, plant-based vitamins. And your DFT. And they have all kinds of these you can choose from. The DFT is your Dermafused technology. It releases B vitamins and white willow bark into your body through your skin all day long. And balance. Balance is amazing if you have any kind of gut issues. This is loaded with your pre and probiotics, but this is for digestive support. It helps with weight management and your immune support. And this right here, Jason used to have tummy issues. 2 of these every night, and he does not have those tummy issues anymore. This is what you get, not this, but this is what you get if you order a month of Thrive. You get 30 days worth of DFTs, 30 days worth of capsules, and 30 days worth of shakes, which is 2 bags of whatever kind you like. And you just feel amazing. You feel literally amazing. I mean, here it is, it's 5 minutes after 8, and I am still going as if it was 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And this box has got Thirst, which is our premium hydration drink, and it is infused with natural caffeine. This is better than Gatorade, y'all. It is made with coconut water and coconut water and Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt, and it is great flavored. And it is caffeine infused. That's what the IC means. It is caffeine infused, but it's natural caffeine from green tea extract. And oh, I did get women's vitamins. Sorry, I didn't think I ordered women's vitamins. These are men's. These are women's. The only difference in the two is the men's has a little bit more natural caffeine in them than the women's do. And we have sleep gummies. And these, I don't take these all the time, but since I have been going through menopause, sometimes I have a hard time going to sleep. Staying to sleep is really no problem. It's the going to sleep I have a problem with. And these are, melatonin. I couldn't remember, and I was looking for it on here. These are made with melatonin, and I'm wearing my glasses, I still can't see. Melatonin, passion flower extract, valerian root extract, chamomile extract, and lemon balm extract. And they are... I literally just finished out that video and was not even recording. You guys seen the sleep gummies. I think the only thing that you didn't see was the rest. The rest is a it is a gel that you take at night to help you rest. Sort of like the gummies, but it's a, oh, I can't think of what it is. Sequential gel. There you go. I kept wanting to say subliminal. It's a sequential gel. It's in a little pack. And Jason likes these. They help get a restful sleep, stress management, relaxation support, and a good calming effect. You just take it, put it in your mouth, hold it in your mouth for 15-20 seconds, and then you swallow it. And Jason really loves these. They really help him rest. But that's going to be it. Like I said, I was recording. I had a call come through and it stopped recording and I didn't even realize it. But this is a month's worth of all of our supplements. Now, we don't do these necessarily every night, nor these every night, but these steps, our capsules, our shakes, and our DFTs, we do every night. The Thirst, I drink those a lot. They help me get my water that I need. And it's just a hydration drink. It's really good. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. We have waited all day for this to get here. If you're interested in Thrive, by all means, hit me up, message me. Hey, give it a try. I was super hesitant, super skeptical about it until I tried it. And I am so glad, so glad. When I tell you I thank God every day that I found these supplements, I literally thank God every day because it has helped me in so many ways. It is, I could stand here and just list the ways, and it would take hours for me to just list everything that I love about them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I am going to try my best, my very, very best to get more videos out. Like I told you in the beginning, I want to start doing some spring cleaning, maybe some decluttering. They may not be very long videos, but I'm going to do my best with trying to get some more videos out. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, the rest of your week. And I will see you on the next one. Have a great day. Don't forget, you're never too far away from the Lord that you can't come back. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.